There is a way to control a relay, this one, with the help of a transmitter like this one. For example, watch. And the way this is done is you sacrifice a serial motor like this one, take out the cover, take off the screws, take out the cover, take off the gears, take off, unsolder the motor, and then instead of the motor, one wire here goes to the negative on the relay, as you can see here. It is the negative port, and the other wire is connected to positive and VCC, which are kind of connected together. So one wire goes to positive, one goes to two ports together, the positive and the signal kind of squeezed together with the help of pliers. How this was done, I will attach a link in description. So what happens when you have this, and of course the serial motor is connected here to the receiver. In this case is port 5, channel 5. And this is configured so that channel 5 is an on-off button, this one. It's called VRA, sorry, SVA. This is SVB and this is SVA. So what happens now is that as I click the button, the relay works. Again, the link will be given in description, showing how one guy did it in very great detail. But again, on my this module, relay module, which I bought for Arduino, what I did is I connected one wire to the negative and one wire to the positive, and signal kind of outputs. They are connected together, as you can see here. Negative, positive, and signal. These are soldered together, and this works. Thank you for your attention.